Don't be trying to eat slow neither.
My lips, my whole face is burning, y'all. Woo!
What's going on, Team Shad? That's SD Gang. It's your favorite sauce ball, Shad.
And your favorite girl, Des.
Your favorite two faces. Back at it again with
another
banger. Now, before we get started, make sure y'all like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the family.
And y'all already know, make sure y'all got them post notifications turned on and set to all, just so y'all not missing out on any of these lit bangers, because we dropping the win, babe.
Oh, 2021, understand me, and you know that.
Y'all, now
we got a lit challenge.
Babe.
Got a lit challenge for y'all today. You ready?
I don't think I'm ready for this one, y'all.
So Team Shad Des, Shad Gang, Des Gang. I know y'all seen the thumbnail. I know y'all seen the title. Today we got a freaking insanity hot wing challenge from yours truly, B-Dubs, baby. And we got a twist to it today for y'all. What we're gonna be doing, the loser has to bite and chew this fine dandy Irish Spring original bar.
Who comes up with this kind of stuff, babe?
Babe, this is about to be freaking, this is about to be fun, this is about to be hilarious.
Babe, you know I don't like
just
hot
don't lose. Okay, so you rather eat the hot?
And I smell that soap already.
And it's so strong as heck.
Oh my God,
it's strong as hell. Now, me personally, I never tried these wings at all. So this is about to be 100% raw and real, cutting it straight to y'all.
Y'all, these are the hottest wings that Buffalo Wild Wings got. The one that you gotta sign a waiver for. Babe, we ain't even sign no freaking waiver.
Dude, the COVID of the pandemic, y'all ain't make a sign a waiver?
Oh my God.
Oh man, hey y'all, we got plenty of ranch here.
Yeah, let me get
I don't know. Let me go ahead and get my ranch. Hopefully this ranch helps out with the hotness of the wings. I don't know though. Y'all let me know. Y'all leave a comment. The ranch helps with the hot wings for real, for real.
Is this ranch?
Yeah, it's ranch.
It's a little chunky.
Oh, no, it's not.
That might be blue cheese. Let me make sure I got the right
There's
stuff.
other stuff out there.
Okay.
I don't do the blue cheese neither.
Yeah, I don't need all that.
Well, so, Team Shad Gang, y'all already know, man. I'm not losing this freaking challenge. Understand me.
Now, you probably done tried these before.
Hey, hold that thought. I got my dang on beverage on the side.
I got me a little water, y'all, and I got a little tea.
I'm prepared today.
I feel like I need some milk. I need a piece of bread. I need to get set up because I'm nervous.
Oh, man. So, y'all, no more talking. We about to go ahead and get into this challenge, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay throughout the whole video, the full video, because we also do our post notification shout-outs. Yo, so we got that coming up. And also, man, y'all don't want to miss out on who's the loser and who has to eat a bar of soap.
I'm about to push through, y'all. It's going to be shy today.
You ready, babe?
Babe, they look freaking hot.
Woo. Oh, man.
Okay, you
I'm
ready?
going to go ahead and get one.
Oh my God. Okay, y'all.
Man, I'm a G. I'm straight gangster.
Okay. Oh my God.
No, this ain't nothing to a king.
Babe.
This ranch do help though. Good God.
Oh my God, y'all.
Shot game, one down. Don't be trying to eat slow neither.
Y'all.
I'm about to run laps around this girl, y'all.
Babe. What the?
That's probably gonna make it worse.
Babe.
What? What, babe? You say you quitting? You say you giving up? Hold on, let me go ahead and open this box for you because I know you got the nails. Let me help you out, right?
Oh my God. I can't even get through the first one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, y'all.
Slight work, light work.
Oh.
It's a walk in the park.
I'm not finna lose, y'all.
I'm not new to this, I'm true to this, babe.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Damn. That breathing hard don't help.
Let's go.
Oh, don't. Two down. So whoever eat more wins. Let me just go ahead and bang these out. I'm not eating no soap. Whoever eats the most will stop first.
Yeah. Oh.
Damn.
They can't give me a napkin.
A napkin for her. Ooh, the temperature rising. Temperature rising, baby.
Oh my god.
Yo, you freaking crying?
I can't even talk, y'all.
Y'all fucking tongue is on fuego. I didn't even do good in Spanish class, but I know that.
Oh my god.
I need time to process this.
Oh.
Am I freaking crying now? A little bit. I feel like I'm crying, Mo.
Oh my god. Y'all.
Everybody, don't try this at home. Oh, my mouth on fire, baby.
Oh my god. My lips, my whole face is burning, y'all.
Three down.
You cheating, bro.
I'm not. Fuck. Oh. Hell no. Damn. Hey, y'all. My whole side of my left mouth is on fire. My lips, like the corner where my lips are, them shits is tingling like shit. You ain't even talking. You good?
I can't.
Fuck. Is there ice in that B-Dubs cup?
No. Woo! Oh my god! What the?
Y'all, no fucking cap. This shit is hot as. This shit is hot as fuck. But it ain't gonna help.
This is it.
I don't know.
I ain't no spitting out, baby. Are you done?
Woo!
Okay.
Bruh, hell no!
I told y'all I wasn't losing, y'all. I told y'all.
Bruh. Oh my god. This shit is hot as heck. I'm done.
Alright. So y'all, Shad only got 3. So I just gotta make it through this one, and I'm the winner, y'all. Everybody comment below Team Dez.
You can have it. You can have it. You cheat? No!
I'm about to eat it.
Cheating.
No, I'm not.
You're not eating the skin. That's what the song said.
I'm eating it.
No. Heck nah.
See? Skin.
You got it.
Prep your mouth. Do whatever you gotta do, cause baby, you finna eat some soap.
I ain't more chicken than you. No, I might go ahead and eat them last two.
No,
Yeah.
no.
I gotta eat them last two.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. And you gotta eat it all. You didn't even eat all the meat off of that.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Alright, man. You can stop. I ain't gonna put you through that. Alright, y'all.
Hold on, babe.
Y'all see I'm a man of my word. You wanna eat it? Shit, go ahead.
I gotta get my.
Alright, y'all. I'm a man of my word.
And you gotta chew it.
Oh, fuck! Fuck!
Y'all! Oh my god, I can't even get up to show y'all this. Whew, my freaking mouth. Babe, you okay?
Oh shit!
Y'all, look at this freaking soap, y'all.
Hey, Team Shad's, I freaking ate soap for y'all, gang.
And my whole freaking mouth about to fall out.
Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this challenge. I can't even talk because I keep tasting soap.
Oh, God. My freaking nose is running.
Hey, y'all, I'm not going to leave without doing the post notification shout out for y'all today. Woo!
Who we got, babe?
Oh my god, bro. I need to go brush my teeth ASAP, Rocky. Today's post notification shout out. I'm going to go ahead and give it to Tia Marie. We salute you. We appreciate you, Queen. Keep supporting the channel, supporting the brand, pushing our content out there. Again, get this video up. Today going 100 what?
100 likes.
100 likes.
Ooh, y'all. Shad already told y'all, do not try this at home. No. I cannot get this sting out of my freaking face. Like, it's not even my mouth, y'all. My whole face is on fire. And this man just got a whole chunk of Irish Spring. Like, y'all.
Man, we'll see y'all next time on the next lit challenge, man. Again, we love y'all, gang. See y'all next time on the video.